That's what I've done over 2,540 times on this YouTube automation channel. And let me tell you, the results will shock you. On this channel, I've uploaded more videos than some kids have been alive. And what did I learn from this? How much money did I make and how much money did it cost me to upload all those videos? You'll get all the answers in this video. I started uploading videos on this channel in 2021. As you can see, our view count is not too great. We actually finished off the year with about 9,000 views, which in 2021 equated to $8,670. Not bad at all. However, I also did spend quite some money. In 2022, I uploaded over 800 videos. Each video costed me $20, meaning I spent over $16,000 on this channel. All of a sudden, that 8,000 right here is not looking too good, is it? However, that all changes in 2022. In January 2022, I made $5,140 with this channel. We even started hitting our first $200 days all the way up to $255, which is pretty insane for this new channel. The reason being is I uploaded so many videos, but more on that later. I'll give you 4 main takeaways of why this channel started blowing up. Because it actually did. Let's take a look at February. In February, I made $6.3K. We're even very close to hitting our first $300 day. Our view count was actually pretty steady. It didn't go up much, despite the fact we uploaded a lot of videos, which is interesting. However, it was in that month that I started making some essential changes, and what happened after is pretty shocking. You can see that I went from about 9K views in March to now steadily continuing to get more and more views every single day and every single month. Now that resulted in more and more revenue. This channel is about to hit $100,000 a year just with the AdSense money. As of right now, the channel has made $76,726.82. That is not bad at all, is it? The reason that this channel is going up very steadily and continues to go up and up is because we upload a lot of videos, and these videos rank in YouTube search. YouTube search traffic is one of the best and most predictable ways of getting views on YouTube. As we can see how viewers find my videos, YouTube search is all the way at the top with 82%, which is crazy. Then we got external, which is pretty much Google search, which is kind of the same model. You can see browse features and recommended isn't really even in here. I'm getting all my views from YouTube search. So far, this channel made $85,620. That is very interesting. However, that is not the clear picture. How much money did I spend on those 2,540 videos? If we do 2,540 times $20, you'll see that I spent over $50,000 on YouTube videos. My mom probably kill me if she hears that. However, consider this, even though I spent $50,000, as of right now, I've got myself a channel that makes over $10,000 every single month in revenue. Now, because these channels are search-based, I can simply stop reinvesting and I'll continue to make about $10,000 for the next few months onwards, even if I don't upload a single video. Which means that as of right now, I've got about $35,000 in profit, which is not that impressive. However, what is impressive is that if I stop uploading right now, I'll net $10,000 every single month. My top performing video on this channel has made $1,433, followed up by a couple more videos that hit 4 figures, which is a great return on investment considering I only paid $20 per video. Now here's what you should do if you want to replicate this process. Build your YouTube automation video team so that you can outsource the work and scale up your production. Number 2, actually do a lot of production. The more uploads with a search-based channel, the more videos can rank and the more money will come in. We can clearly see that by looking at this revenue chart. The more videos I have online, the more money I started making. Number 3, upload. First of all, make sure to upload a lot of stuff, which then leads to number 4, which is the main takeaway that I had from running this business. Make sure to look at your data. Always improve and double down on what works. If you've got something that is proven to work, do more of that on your YouTube channel, because that is most likely to work as well. This entire chart that just continues to go up and up is all based on me doing right now what has worked a month ago or 5 months ago. Basically, I'm replicating popular videos. I take their format or even their topic and put a new spin on it to make sure that it will perform well again. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see me do a full breakdown of this channel. But what I learned from posting 2,540 videos is the more the better with my search-based channel. Click this video right here to learn more about my YouTube search-based channel strategies.